So we're going to show you how to replace the dock port in your iPhone 3GS. Firstly, remove the SIM card if you haven't already done so, and then remove the two screws from the bottom of the phone by the dock port as being shown here in the video. Once the screws are removed, using a safe pry tool, run this along the bottom of the phone between the bezel and the glass to pop the screen out as shown here in the video. Next, slowly lift the glass as it is still connected with 3 ribbon cables. These are labelled 1, 2 and 3. Cable number 1 may have already released, but it's just a pop connector which just needs to be popped up, and 2 is the same. Cable number 3 is in a jaw connector. To release the cable from the jaw connector, lift the white tab up 90 degrees as being shown here in the video using a safe pry tool. Now the jaw connector has been opened, we can carefully remove the digitizer glass from the. Using a safe pry tool, release the pop connectors labelled 4, 5 and 6 as being shown here now in the video. Once these have been released, now use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the 7 screws as being pointed out here. Once you have released all the pop connectors and removed the 7 screws, you can now remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Gently lift the motherboard using a safe pry tool as being shown here now in the video. Gently lift the motherboard from the iPhone, but be careful as it is still attached to the camera in the top right hand corner. To release the camera, simply pop the pop connector using a safe pry tool as being shown here. Once done, you can safely remove the motherboard. Now the motherboard has been removed, we now have full access to the dock port assembly. To remove this, remove the 2 screws as being pointed out here now. Once the screws have been removed, you can simply lift out the dock port assembly as being shown here in the video.